Triggers, not chiggers. Triggers. If you are feeling triggered by something, try asking yourself, what about this am I triggered by? Why am I triggered by it? What can I learn from this trigger? How can I grow as a person and as a spirit? By looking inwards at yourself. This is how I've overcome so many of my own triggers, coming from a very traumatic background. Don't know if you heard any part of my near-death experience that I have on my channel in a playlist. But our physical bodies have memories of their own, and they remember trauma. And when our physical bodies remember the trauma that our conscious minds don't, that means there's something that we need to overcome. And sometimes those can come out as triggers. Somebody might rub us the wrong way. For example, we might be defensive and not understand the meaning behind our defense. Maybe you're like me and you don't like somebody standing behind you because you don't remember what happened to you, but you just know that it's unsafe to have somebody stand behind you. That's a very primal thing, to not trust someone standing behind you, but it doesn't come in handy when the person standing behind you is your child, is your significant other, is your best friend that you know is not going to hurt you. It's good to address these things. So you can remove yourself from the situation, you can do wise mind. I go into more detail in my video, Wise Mind Skill, ? Create that emotion yourself, regardless of your outside circumstances. Not only does doing that help your mental and physical health, it also aligns you with the future that you want. This is called manifestation. By aligning yourself with the future that you want, you are becoming a magnet for that future. And now you can attract each other and you can reach that future. Thanks for giving this video a go. Thanks for listening.